Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Now, if you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Valerie and I'm doing this lesson to show you the easiest way to figure out how much elastic you will need to buy when you go to buy your fabric for the fitted sheet. Let's look at a queen fitted sheet, and a standard queen fitted sheet is 60 inches by 80 inches. In order to find out how much elastic we will need, first let's find out how many inches go around the fitted sheet, which is the perimeter of the fitted sheet, right? So if this is our fitted sheet, this would be 60, this would be 60, this would be 80, and this would be 80. So to get the distance around, we'll just have to add up all these numbers. Let's do the 2 6s first. That's 2 6s are 12, it's 120 inches. And 2 8s are 16, that's 160 inches. Add these two together and we get 280 inches. So the distance around that we want to put the elastic is 280 inches. I would suggest that you get up to 2/3 the distance around in elastic. So how do we figure out 2/3 of 280 inches? We do this: 2/3 times 280. Then we have to multiply 280 by 2, which is going to be 2 zeros or 0, 2 8s are 16, carry the 1 here, 2 2s are 4, and 1 5, 560 inches. And then we divide that by the 3. So that's 186.7. And this, my friend, is inches. How do we find out how many yards are in 186.7? We divide by 36 because there are 36 inches in a yard. 5.18 yards. Now, usually I round up, but here you could just round down to 5 yards. The 0.18 of elastic won't hurt anything. That, my friends, is how we calculate how much elastic we will need for our fitted sheet when we are making it. The bottom line is buy about 2/3 of the measurement of the perimeter of your fitted sheet to make sure you have enough elastic to go around the fitted sheet to finish it off. I hope this lesson is helpful. Please leave your comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like the lessons. Share with somebody. Thanks again so much for your support on the channel. I'll see you in the next lesson.